Out of Rob's Front Yard Adventures, Alicia's driving. Huh?
Sorry, car.
That's right, that's what it's made for.
In different shoes for driving. Boots are not for driving, people. Boots are not for driving.
Yeah, so here we are out on the tracks in the absolute middle of nowhere. This is definitely God's country. You need a full drive to get into here. She's pretty rugged. Lisa's first time driving a full drive whilst full driving.
At the moment, the car is literally just rolling. I'm not even touching anything.
Yeah, that's all you do.
Roll. We just roll.
All you have to do. It's literally that simple.
We just roll.
God's country, definitely no houses around here.
If I drive again, I need to do it in shoes, not boots. Can't feel the car. Sorry, car.
Yeah, kindly not drag trees down the side of the car.
I can't feel the brake or the accelerator.
So go wider. There's a tree there again. Full driving doesn't mean you have to demolish the car for fun.
It's the whole point of full driving.
Huh?
So that's the whole point of full driving.
No, it's to go places normal cars can't go, not to just to destroy shit for the fun of it. Stuff, Facebook, YouTube. You know, tackling those big hills.
Hell yeah. Good job, Tim. Like that. Without, and I've watched Mum drive this 1,000 times.
In an off-road vehicle, because you couldn't get here unless you were full drive.
Drafties are leaving.
See, I'm in the passenger seat. A rugged country that we're going through.
Okay, if I pretend like I'm riding, I seem to have better control over the car. Okay, I get it. I got it now, car.
Now we've got the horses coming towards us.
Yeah, just remember, I'm not real sure with the width of this vehicle, so you gotta let me know if I get too close to the fence.
If you hear a loud screeching sound from the horse, you've got too close. Yeah, so it's peak hour traffic here, guys.
Thank you, Prince. By the way, you guys are getting fed. You have to come back down.
You're going the wrong way.
I like this car.
It's better than waiting for me to die to inherit it.
That's what I said to Mum. Like, I reckon this would be alright to drive around.
It's easy.
That, and I've got a rough idea on where the wheels are. Cutting across.
Cockatoos there stealing all the food.
Yeah, I've got fat fucks. Leans a little bit. Other than that, it's quite good. This way. Full drive, become four drive. Ready? Here we go.